Today date is 24th December and this is the report for BHEL. Here you can see this is the report for BHEL, whereas it is showing the dominant cycle, but I am damn sure the dominant cycle is not right, because when we check the previous cycles, they are not that much accurate, and here also we can see it is showing the downtrend neutral, and it is a 74 days cycle. So that means downtrend neutral has just started, it means. But here you see, after applying multiple cycles, after applying the multiple dominant cycles here and this one, see the price chart is almost in sync, that came in sync with the dominant cycle. Like here you can buy, and here you can sell. You can observe the price changes here. See, here the price is 85 and here the price is 99. Here at the dip the price is 90 and here the price is 101. Again it fall down. See, 87, 83. So again it's a downtrend. So 77, then 80 or 80, yeah, 80. So it is exactly in sync with. So here one thing we can observe, that we should not believe on these low turnings, because it's still in a downtrend. So but here the downtrend ended, it seems. So let's and then here the price is 61. Again here we can sell 72. Here 56, again 73. But we should not believe in this, because they are downtrend. Here we can take the entry. Here it is the price is 50 and here 54. Again it's a full downtrend. So the price is 20 and here the price is 40. So like this, the next dip is about to come on 31st December, and next on 2nd March, till 2nd March it will move upwards. So this is the report for BHEL. So if we check the data, if we check the dominant cycle, then I suspect it is not that much accurate. Here it is the bottom, so bottom area, well, it is right. Okay, in 2 days it is right. Okay, next top in 30 days. So next top in 30 days. So the data is till August 4th. So here the date is 6th July. So August 4th to the number of days, next top in 39 days. So 39. So enter 39 and exclude all Saturdays, Sundays, and let's see the date, 1st October. So actually it is, so on 1st October what happened, we have to check on first. See, it is also very accurate, it seems. On 1st October it came to top. Then let's move the data here. Now downtrend neutral. So next low in 57 days. So here the date is September 8. Let's take September 8th, and the number of days for the next low is 57. So let's enter 57. 9th December 2020. So the next low should come 9th December 2020. So but actually it is showing the peak here. On 9th December it is a peak. So why this is happening? Because this is the dominant cycle. The dominant cycle may be a small cycle and it may be a weak cycle. So that is the reason it is happening. So instead of this, let's apply 166. So here you see on December 9th, yeah, the dominant cycle, actually the cycle 57, December 9th. So it seems accurate. It seems accurate, but the price moved high. But when we applied the multiple cycles, then we have seen that from 31st December it is going to move upwards. So we apply the same logic to other cycles, other stocks too, and we come to a conclusion. See, the cycle was accurate on August 4th. Bottom departure and next top, next low in 53 days, that is December 9th we have seen, and next top this is 26, and these are the phase scores. Let's